Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Claude code with OpenRouter for free using the Alternative Environment Profile method. This is the perfect fix if you want to apply the connection bridge globally to your entire computer system profile method, allowing you to bypass the standard paid account gate across all your terminal workspace folders instantly. Step 1. Open your System Configuration Profile script file. The first step is to open your regular terminal app window on your screen and open your permanent system configuration profile sheet. Open your main terminal application window, type out the line nano-/.zshrc if you are running a standard Mac setup, or type nano-/.bashrc for a Linux setup and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Watch for the command screen to shift away flat against your background view and display your permanent system environment variable text file lines. Because if you just type your connection rules into a normal running terminal tab, those choices will vanish the second you close the window. Opening this specific system sheet allows you to write rules that stick inside your computer's memory forever. This ensures the app always knows where to find your alternative network parameters every single time your device boots up. Step 2. Insert the OpenRouter connection bridge paths. The second step is to scroll down to the absolute bottom of your text sheet using your arrow keys and type in the 4 precise connection lines to build the routing tunnel. Use your keyboard keys to copy and write out export OpenRouter API key equals your key here, along with export Anthropic base URL equals https://openrouter.ai/API on the next lines, and make sure to type export Anthropic API key equals quotation marks exactly as shown to finish the block. Verify that you have filled in your actual OpenRouter secret password string inside the text quotation marks, and double-check that the main Anthropic key row is left completely blank. Because you are remapping the digital map rules of your terminal environment, setting the base URL path to the Open Network endpoint tells the writing tool to stop talking to its default servers. Explicitly blanking out the original API key is the most important part because it blocks the tool from trying to authenticate against its old paid accounts in the background, which would cause an error loop. Step 3. Launch the writing tool using the custom model command flag. The third step is to type a modified boot command into your black window that injects your OpenRouter destination and your free model name directly into the launch sequence. Navigate to your project folder rows using your terminal window, type out the command claude-model equals OpenRouter/free while making sure your setup has your active network key loaded, and press the Enter key to initiate the session. Watch the screen canvas rows clear as the application initializes, skipping its default paid home network and tracking directly toward the open public server you specified in the tag. Because using a command line startup flag overrides any saved background settings instantly. Instead of looking inside hidden folder directories or reading configuration text sheets, the tool reads your exact string choice at the moment of launch. This forces the software engine to build a temporary routing bridge to your free model for this single session only, keeping your main setup clean. And that's it. To run Claude code with OpenRouter for free, you first open your terminal app and edit your permanent shell profile configuration file on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the text field to insert the new environment path rules and explicitly blank out the old key line on your screen canvas rows. Scroll through the list or type your specific free provider path to switch models instantly without editing background files. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.